Hi guys, I will open my box.
Okay.
First, I have a lip marker.
Description with disaster.
This
What are you
is a
opening?
box of Hello Kitty and friends
Where did you buy it from?
from Walmart.
From Walmart. How much?
I don't know. $12.
This is how you open a box?
Yeah, because you don't have anything to open.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
We open. Help me.
Okay.
So first, I have a crayon of Hello Kitty.
What color?
Dark pink. I have a puppet. I have a notebook and some keys to open it.
C'est bien, il est attaché. Open it now. Open it.
Maybe. After, I have. Who just camped me? Who just camped me?
One is missing.
I don't know what.
It's nice. What is next?
I got some stickers I got some stickers of Hello Kitty.
Okay. Show the notebook. Can you open it? Unlock it for me.
Qu'est-ce que tu dis, regarde?
Oh, moi, c'est bien là qu'est-ce que t'attaches là. Regarde, moi, acheté quoi encore?
Non, pas comme ça.
Laptop,